Hello, good morning everybody. I want to welcome the delegates which are coming from all over India to attend the workshop which are managed by the Himachal Electrohomeopathy Doctor Association in association with Rabisan India Electrohomeopathy. More than 17 states, 100 delegates are here and they want to know the reality of electrohomeopathy, how this system works and what is the depth of this system and what types of plants are used in this system. So, dear friends, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma is one of the best electrohomeopath in India and working with all these things, and he wants to explain each and every item regarding electrohomeopathy. So I would like to appreciate their works and their team's work, and I must be appreciate all those guys who are here and to know the reality of the electrohomeopathy. In this workshop, the 5 days workshop, 8th May to 12th May 2022. I would like to say each and everyone, you must be visited once Chamba to know the reality of the electrohomeopathy, because without knowing the reality, we can't believe on the electrohomeopathy, because electrohomeopathy is the system which is based on the plants, and that's why it is called natural herbal medical science. So must we know the fact and figure, because these medicines are very effective, energetic and dynamic, because its work is on physical, mental and spiritual level. So that's why we want to use all these medicines with respect to each and every diseased person, not only diseased but healthy person, to keep the human being healthy, wealthy and wise. That's my opinion and blessings and message for you all. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.